In 776 BC, a tradition was born in the lush valleys of Olympia, a tradition that would transcend time, borders, and cultures. The ancient Olympic Games, a festival of might and spiritual resilience, laid the foundation of a legacy that endures to this day. In 1896, Athens hosted the first modern Olympics, rekindling the ancient spirit of competition, unity, and peace among nations. Across cultures, the Summer Olympics have evolved into a global phenomenon, the ultimate stage where dreams are pursued and legends are born. It's a celebration of humanity's relentless pursuit of excellence, a showcase of diversity and unity under the interlocking rings representing the world's continents. Yet the journey has faced trials. These challenges tested the Olympic spirit and showcased its resilience as athletes and nations came together to rise above adversity, embodying the Olympic motto, faster, higher, stronger. As the world turns its gaze to Paris for the 2024 Summer Olympics, the City of Light prepares to write the next chapter in Olympic history. Athletes from across the globe will convene on this historic stage, each with stories of triumph, sacrifice, and the unyielding hope of etching their names in the eternal legacy of the Olympics. From the ancient plains of Olympia to the grandeur of Paris, the Olympic flame endures, a symbol of peace, unity, and hope. Paris 2024 awaits to continue the story, ignite new dreams, and to witness the power of the Olympic spirit once again. Let the Games begin.